Hi everyone, today I am going to explain about railway track crack detection project.
We are going to use YOLO model. Here YOLO model already I have trained with some sample training images. So here we have a training images here. So these are all sample training images I have to, and these are all annotation. So there is an annotation toolbox in the online. Using that I have annotation, I have data, image name, the X min, Y min, X max, Y max, and the label. Okay. So these are all we can do it in the online, or we can get the database of reading. Okay, so this is the database. I'm going to train it. So using the training, the YOLO model, so we can able to train this model. So after training this, training weight final.h5 will get it. So here I have already trained, so it will take a lot of time. So we have trained already. So using the capture, we are going to show the demo. So either, so this is the capture code. So either you can select the images or real-time video, you can make it. So here I'm going to use real-time video. So I'm going to just run it. So this is the image I'm going to show it in the camera. So just I'm going to show it. So you can see that detected crack. I'll show you another one now. So this is how railway track crack detection we can do it. So same thing we can implement in the Raspberry Pi. Also we can have a small railway track. Then we can detect any crack in the railway track. Thank you.